The Gauteng Social Development Department has accused a frail care centre in Johannesburg of abuse after a complaint by the family of one of the elderly patients. The Abida Frail Care Centre denies allegations that they starved her, among other things. Last week, the department announced it would shut down the Abida Frail Care Centre. A probe found it was overcrowded with limited ventilation, among other things. Here's eNCA's Barry Bateman with that story.
The sign for Abida's Frail Care Centre has been removed. But a manager who declined to speak on the record says the centre is still home to many elderly people. Gauteng Social Development Department says an investigation found exceptionally disagreeable conditions in the facility. The probe found that it was overcrowded with limited ventilation, and other essential norms and standards required for the running of such a facility were not met. A complaint by the family of Fatima Callaghan prompted the investigation.
Fatima sustained injuries to her body, arms, back. She sustained a broken finger that never received any medical attention. Fatima was also starved for days on end, and her medication was withheld for at least 18 months.
Kepler says when Callaghan was placed in the care facility, she could speak and walk, albeit with some difficulty.
Now she cannot do any of that. Fatima didn't speak out to her family because she was afraid of being starved. You know, they withheld food from her. And so they never knew until the day her son forced his way into the centre and found his mother with a black eye and injuries to her face.
The owner, Abida Frail, declined to respond to the allegations, only saying that they were false. Callaghan's family has opened a criminal complaint.
So we hope this case is going to go to court, that the perpetrators will be arrested and go to trial, and subsequently that they will be punished for what they did.
Gauteng Social Development Department didn't respond to a request for an interview. Barry Bateman, Johannesburg.